everyone, it's Peg for Gina B. Aaron's Design Team. This month we are in November doing Stark. What's the other two? Stark and Plain and Honest. Yeah, those are the 3 prompts for this month. So I'm going to put those on a page. And to start off with, I'm going to apply some black gesso to a card. This is just some leftover packaging, and I'm going to get it so that I have a surface to work on. And I have these 2 stencils from Gina that I plan on using. I'm going to layer them up together. I'm going to use the stencil with the words and the stencil with the face, and I'm just going to stencil some color through the face using the words. Okay, so now I have this product. It's a wood filler, and it's what I had on my desk. I was looking for some other type of medium. Didn't jump in my hand. This did, so you know, it all works. That's what I'm gonna do. Use what I have that's available to me. So I'm just scraping that over the top of the mask, and then I'll lift it off and I'll get my image. And there it is. And I'm liking what I'm seeing. So now I'm going to clean the stencil or mask or both and get ready to move on. Okay, I'd like to be able to speak. I've had nothing but trouble with my audio today. So I'm just filling a needle bottle with some of that yellow paint, and I'm putting Plain Honest Truth down. Plain and Honest and Stark were the words for this month, and so that's what I'm saying is let's use the Plain Honest Truth here, and I'll outline a little bit, and I'll put some more wording down with a bottle of black golden high flow, which is in a fine line bottle, and that's going to say speak, so it'll say speak Plain Honest Truth, and then I'm going to tip this into my book. So that's about it for this month. I don't know what happened to the last bit of my video, but all I did was to create a tip-in using my Speak Plain Honest Truth. I created a little pocket back here so that I can tuck some tags and things in behind. This is a place where you can hide some journaling and not necessarily share it with the world when you have a tip-in like this. But I just put some gaffer tape and some of my homemade washi tape on there and wrapped it around the edge of the page. And my homemade washi tape is like this. I store it in a folder, and I have a video showing how to make that, so if you're interested in that, I'll try to remember to put a link in for you, either up above in the iCards or down below in the description box. But that's it for me this month, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you go out and see the other design team members and what they're doing with the challenge for this month, which is plain, honest, and stark. And so I am speaking plain, honest truth on my page today, and I'll see you again next time, guys. Bye for now.